This is one such favorite season of the year of mine where you get a lot of seasonal fruits and vegetables. You might be wondering, seasonal vegetables now? Yes, where I live in India in the southern part right now, I get a lot of these cauliflower and, as you can already see here, pea pods. So this is what today's video is going to be for those who are new. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to Simply at Home. Today, as you can see, the video is pretty clear as to the activity that we are into. As I always keep saying, most important is having fun. So this is a very slow motion of a video that I have taken where you can see the finger activity. This is more for finer motor activity or finger exercises. So one, it is finger exercises. Two, it's brilliant tactile, because when you peeling the pea pods and removing it, basically there are certain juices which comes out when you're handling vegetables. So I always prefer, when you're handling vegetables and fruits, when it's given to the hand, what you're seeing here is a child working on this, but trust me, if there is anything to do with exercises for the finger or the finer motor skills, can be for anybody at any age if there is the need of the hour. So this can also be given because they will feel part of the family instead of putting them onto some therapy. So and yes, the most important thing is it peas taste yum in salads, peas pulao, veg mix curry, the sabjis, as they call matar whatever in Hindi, patani in Tamil, and pea pods. So another very important thing when you're handling this with children is it's an amazing sitting tolerance tool. Today, half the times we are engaging children on screen for use of iPad or probably the television, and so the visual and auditory alone probably goes through. This is the hand-eye coordination with a lot of sitting tolerance. What you see in the cup already there are all probably, I think it took about half an hour to 40 minutes to get that done. Yeah, so that kind of, when we make the sabji, becomes very small. It looks like lots of pea pods being removed. So as you see, there are very finer activity across all the fingers that it goes through, dual hand access and so on. Now, to those specific parents, I have a very important tip to share, where you're introducing children for sensory needs or for tactile reasons. Please do not expect children to peel this many peas or get to this many number of pea pods, because the child that you're seeing here, this is not the first time you're doing this. So if you're introducing it for the first time, as I always keep saying, modeling is the most important thing. All the child needs to do is sit and see and observe what you as an adult or anybody else in the family is doing once or twice, because it's a season happening. You're going to be getting this often, so it's okay once, let them have a look. The second time when you're buying it from the store or from your vegetable vendor, please promote local vegetable vendors. I know that's a little off track here. So let it start with just one pea pod if the child has any sitting tolerance or hand-eye coordination issues. So gradually you can graduate it to 2 and 3. This season can be over. It can move on to the next season, the next year, to even probably 10 or 15 pea pods, and gradually increase it. By the 4th or 5th year, they will be able to sit for more than half an hour to 40 minutes to peel probably half a kilo of peas. So I take leave onto my channel here. Please do subscribe and share this to anybody whom you think will benefit out of this video. If it doesn't suit your needs, I do not request you to subscribe, but definitely the request on my YouTube channel goes to all those people who are in need of such simple tips and tricks for their children or an adult who needs finer motor activities on their hands, and still feel that whatever they have done is what is being served back into their plate, and they will it's amazing to be in the kitchen and part of the family. You can sing songs while you do this. How we do it is purely in our hands. Most importantly, having fun and being safe. Signing off again, Ramya, simply at home. Bye bye.